Welcome, I'm Grim Reaper and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you a little tutorial where people have been having a few problems with Word when they've been trying to do things like flowcharts etc. but had to be in a Word document. So if you want to start drawing shapes in Word, this is your home screen, how you would have it with your sheet. If you click on the Insert tab, it will give you a different load of options, and inside the Insert tab you will find another option that says Shapes. Click on Shapes and then you get a panel with all sorts of shapes that open up, and you can pick the one that you're looking for. So for example, if you're doing a flowchart, you would have something to do with arrows, say like for this one for example, and then you can draw it into where you want within your document. And obviously you can manipulate it in any way you want. You can change the colors etc. and do various bits of text. And then if you click on your page again, go back into Insert, Shapes, and then you can pick another shape that you might want. So say for example you can have one of a block that will show it coming through. So draw it how you want it. Doesn't matter if it overlaps, because it gives you the opportunity to move it. And that's basically how you would do it, and you can alter them, you can put in bits of text and various other bits and pieces. So thank you for watching. Until next time, this is Grim Reaper saying goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, thumbs up, comments, etc. Thank you.